bit of delicious garlic butter to pop onto our steak or on our vegetable or even on a nice piece of fish. It will just make everything taste a little French. Today I'm making enough for 2 steaks, so I've cut a little slice of my favorite fresh butter and I'm going to chop some parsley. Now what's important here is the taste of the parsley. There are different parsley. I always, and my parents always, use curly parsley, and it does taste very different to the Italian flat leaf parsley, for example. So if you have a choice, go for the curly parsley. We're going to chop it. I love chopping with my scissors. It saves making a mess on my board and using the little whiz machine, which I would use if I did a lot of parsley. So good quantity of freshly chopped parsley, and then the garlic. Obviously we're going to use the freshest clove we have at hand, because what we want is all those juices that are going to flavor the butter. And because we want to really extract the deep flavors and all the oils out of the garlic, we're going to squeeze it. You've seen often in my recipes I chop the garlic, but today, because we're not using the heat of the cooking to extract the flavors, I am going to squeeze it and really extract the garlic flavors out of the clove. And I'm going to even squeeze the skin twice. So it's been in once already, and I'm putting it through again to get the last bit of flavor and to be able to use the skin as well, because now it's so soft. Oh yes, if you have enjoyed the recipe, please subscribe to the channel for lots of little ideas like that to make everything a little bit more French. Add a good pinch of sea salt. The coarse crystals are fantastic, because when the butter melts, then we will still find the sea salt, and it will also have taken some of the garlic flavor. And then we mix it carefully with a fork. We will know that the garlic has evenly been mixed in the butter, because the parsley is also evenly mixed. And this is ready. I'm going to use it for my steak today, but it's easy to freeze like that in little balls and use again. Bon appétit les amis!